This is a 2009 Mazda CX-9. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.